Cardiovascular disease continues to kill millions of people even while we talk. And while you may be on the best medication, you may have gone through a bypass, you may be doing your CD angios, all of that's good. That's absolutely fine. What about your nutrition? Makes a huge, huge difference in reducing inflammatory levels in your heart, strengthening your blood vessels. What about sleep? The science is direct about the connection of sleep deprivation, inflammation in the heart, and cardiac arrests. What about the kind of exercise? Are you over-exercising or under-exercising? That's important as well. And then we know stress levels. Most of the doctors across the world say the leading cause of cardiovascular disease is the buildup of chronic stress in the human body. But today we're going to talk about asanas, certain asanas and the science of yoga that can help you with your heart health. Will these asanas alone help you? Absolutely not. In the field of integrative and lifestyle medicine, it's everything that works together. The time you spend in nature, the time you spend with your family, loved ones, the peace that you build in your life, your food, your exercise, your sleep, and your emotional wellness. The asanas that you're about to learn today will help you with your overall heart health. They're simple asanas. You can practice them wherever you are in the world. You're staying in a hotel, you're traveling, wherever you are in the comfort of your own home. These asanas have been designed by the Art of Living, and their yoga therapist will now take you through these simple asanas that you can start to practice right away.
Hi, this is Mayur Karthik, head trainer with Shri Shri School of Yoga and faculty of the Art of Living. Shri Shri Yoga is a simple and effective meditative flow of yoga practice that not only helps you to achieve health in the physical body, but also helps you to attend and bring a change in the subtle aspects of our existence, like the prana, the life force, the mind, and much more. In today's sequence, we will be looking into a small routine that could be a beautiful add-on in maintaining your heart health. Of course, people who already have certain issues with the heart, do consult your doctor before you start this practice. But these asanas could be a beautiful add-on for maintaining your overall heart health. So remember to do some nice warm-ups before we start the practice. You can check out the other video on joint rotations. That's a beautiful video to mobilize all your joints. Let's begin with Engine Dowd. Engine Dowd is a nice cardio exercise that will help you to increase your heart rate in a very short span of time. Right? It will make you breathe a lot, it will make you move a lot and increase your heart rate. Let's stand straight. What we need to do is we need to keep punching our hands front and back, at the same time kicking our buttocks with our feet or the heel, and breathe forcefully through that. All right. Let's stand straight and let's start. And relax. Just for a moment, stay still and observe your heartbeat. You can do this for a full 1 minute or 50 counts. Now let's do the second vyayam called the Sarvang Pushti. Move your legs away from each other. Make a fist. Bring both the wrists on top of each other. Take your hands up. Breathe in. And as you breathe out, bend towards your right toe. Inhale, come up. Exhale, bend towards your left toe. And come back up. Continue. Inhale, slowly come back up. Exhale, relax your hands and bring the legs closer. Now let's do the Kati Chakrasana. Stand straight, feet hip width apart. Breathe in, bring both your hands to the front. Imagine you're holding a block in between your palms. Exhale, gently twist your body from the shoulders, from the spine, all the way to the right side. and turn and look behind you. Remember, your palms are still parallel to each other. Stay here, keep breathing. Feel a nice twist in your thoracic region. Keep breathing. Remember, you're not lifting your right foot up. And be soft on the knees. Breathe in, come back to the center. Breathe out, twist to the other side. Inhale, slowly come back to the center. Exhale, relax your hands. Now gently come down on the knees and let's do the child's pose. Right? Sit on your heels, move your knees a little wider and stretch your hands to the front. Remember, your hips are not lifting up. Let your buttocks stay on your heels as much as possible. If they are lifting up, it's okay. Feel the blood rush towards your heart and head. Relax totally in the pose. And slowly come back up on your knees. Remember, the palms stay where they are. Now gently tuck your toes in, straighten the knees. Distance between your feet, hip width distance. Push your chest towards your thighs and straighten the knees. Push your heels down. Downward facing dog. Stay here, keep breathing. And gently come down on your knees and lie down on your tummy. Now we will do the Dhanurasana bow pose. For those of you bow pose is difficult, you can simply do a Bhujangasana, the cobra pose. Those of you who can do the Dhanurasana, bend both your knees, grab your ankles. Inhale, lift your chest and thighs off the mat and exhale, move your legs away from the back of the body, expanding your chest. Look up. Stay here, keep breathing. Exhale, gently come down, relax your hands. Stay for a moment. And let's roll over to the back. Lie down on your back, hands next to your body. We will do the Saral Viprit Karni. Bend both your knees, lift your legs up and gently straighten the legs up towards the ceiling or the sky. Stay here, keep breathing. If holding your leg here is difficult, what you can do, you can first place your palms under your buttocks and then lift the leg up. This will give you nice support. We are reverse flowing the blood. Stay here, keep breathing. And slowly bring your legs down, stretch your legs out and relax. You may lie down for some time, rest. After you finish resting, what we can do is we can do some long deep inhalations and exhalations, right? That is also very good. It's like a nice massage for your heart. Sit straight, breathe in, expand the whole body from your tummy to your chest, and breathe out. Relax your whole body, contract, pull your abdomen in. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Continue breathing in and out. After 10 rounds, you may slowly open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed this practice. Check out the other videos and do those practices for various health benefits. Jai Gurudev.
I hope you enjoyed these asanas. Don't be overwhelmed if you couldn't do it in your first class. Remember, it starts with baby steps. It starts with small wins every day. And remember, it's consistency over intensity. And it is progress over perfection. So now that you've learned these asanas, the more you do it, the better you're going to get. And be mindful about your body. The more you do it, you'll find your flexibility improving, your mobility improving, and over time, your pain's decreasing. So follow your own pace and do your best.